Hello. Following up from our last video lecture, we'll discuss the differences between search engines of today and their earlier versions, specifically in the realm of semantic relationships. You'll learn some of the choices that led to semantic improvement, both from those seeking to provide accurate results and those seeking to bump their pages up the list by any means necessary. By the end of this lesson, you should have a plan using alternative valid keyword selection to improve a site's ranking and visibility.
By developing a better understanding of how topic association is used, you can create better optimized content for your site or for client sites. Google will now look more at contextual meaning of a web page and the content served throughout the site to determine relevancy for a theme or set of topics that your site should rank for. This means that a page should contain keywords relevant to your focus keyword, rather than choosing a single focus keyword and repeating it throughout the content several times. In order to help determine the theme of a page and the relationship between words, Google improved their algorithm to check for relevancy and semantic relationships. This created more of a holistic approach to SEO and content optimization. Semantic analysis basically looks at how words are related and what the relationship between two words may be. For example, a site about baseball should contain words like pitcher, bat, and run. All of these words might mean something different out of context, but together they help support this page's theme of baseball. Amit Singhal, an engineer at Google, told an interesting story about how Google learns which words are synonyms. When discussing the creation of this portion of the algorithm, Amit said, "We discovered a very nifty thing early on. People change words in their queries. So someone would say pictures of dogs, and then they'd say pictures of puppies. So that told us that maybe dogs and puppies are interchangeable." Amit went on to say, "We also learned that when you boil water, it's hot water. We were relearning semantics from humans, and that was a great advance." But there were obstacles. Google's synonym system understood that a dog was similar to a puppy and that boiling water was hot. But this means it also concluded that a hot dog was the same as a boiling puppy. This problem was fixed in late 2002 by applying theories from a philosopher named Ludwig Wittgenstein, considered by many to be the greatest philosopher of the 20th century. Google began to slowly add to its knowledge base of semantic relationships. As Google analyzed the billions of documents in its index, it also analyzed words that were close to each other. Hot dog would be found in searches that also contained bread and mustard and baseball games, and not recipes about cooking your dog. We can see this improvement in search today. In the past, if I were to search for hiking spots in the Bay Area, I was likely to get search results like the example provided. Google would first look through its index for sites that contained the phrase I was searching for, and if any were found, these would be presented first. Notice how my exact keywords are bolded in the meta description, and the exact keyword is found within the title. As Google's algorithm progressed, less focus was placed on the exact term and the order of the words used. You would start to see results that included words relevant to my query, like hiking in Bay Area, as well as related words like throughout instead of the word in. These words are all bolded, as well as words like trails, because it is related. After Google's Hummingbird update, search results continued to improve. Now, instead of hiking spots, I continue to see bolded keywords like hiking trails. I also get some better local results added in. As Google updates its algorithms and factors in things like personalization, such as location, past search history, and more, search results will continue to evolve and improve. SEO is no longer a one-trick pony that'll allow anyone to rank a site in the first results through keyword targeting and link building. To be successful, SEOs need to think to the future and focus their efforts on how they can best serve users and keep them engaged. The future of SEO is about knowing what content a person needs and the best way to deliver that to them.